Hi everybody, my name is Titus and welcome to my first video. I'm a motorcycle enthusiast and by the time I have to say that I became very passionate about motorcycle traveling and everything which is related to the motorcycle. I decided together with some friends of mine which are now behind the camera to do a small clip with things which I repair and things which are very discussed on forums and on social media. Let's start with this joke like what's the difference between being smart or being wise? So being smart, it means that doesn't matter the situation, how hard is the situation, you're gonna find always a solution to get out of that situation. And being wise, it means to not get in a situation from where you have to get out. So that's the thing, and let's talk and let's bring this to a 1200 GS final drive. And what is gonna happen over there? What's the difference between being wise or being smart related to the final drive of a 1200 GS? Smart, it means that if you get your final drive broken, then you have to manage either to change the bearings, either to buy a new one, which is gonna cost you around 1,000 euros, more than 1,000 euros probably. Wise, it means to don't get there. Smart. I changed the bearings. I bought brand new bearings. It cost me 450 euros. With the help of a special tool, I managed to change all the bearings inside, 450 as I said. And after I took the bearings out, I noticed that one of the bearings, it was damaged because of a lack of lubrication. So this it means that the maintenance at the final drive should be done more often. And that's why I got the conclusion that it's better to be wise and every time you change the oil in your engine, to change the oil in the final drive. This it means wise. It costs you probably 2-3 euros each time you change the oil in your engine, and you're never gonna have problems with the final drive. Now we will go back to the garage to show it you how it looks damaged bearing because of a lack of maintenance. And of course I'm gonna show it to you some images from my beautiful Transylvania, my home, and we're gonna talk about Transylvania more in my episodes. Thank you very much guys, and let's try. I managed to take it apart or to get to the bearing with a special tool. This special tool you're gonna find on the internet for sale. All old bearings took it out, brand new bearings, put it in. Once I dismantle everything, of course I replace every bearing is inside to have brand new bearings. So basically I have a brand new final drive, which didn't cost 1,800 euros, it cost around 350. Not all the bearings they were gone, it was gone only one. But you never know which is the stage on the other one or the other three bearings which they were left. So if you decide to replace only one bearing, you can get to a cost at around maximum 200-220 euros. Very happy about that, but let's start to be wise. Why it happened and how to don't go in the same situation again. After the inspection of my bearing, which was gone, I figured out that the oil in my final drive, it was very weak oil, didn't resist at the high temperature, didn't lubricate anymore. And why? Because I didn't change it. So the info about how many times in 100,000 kilometers you have to change the oil in the final drive is not very clear. I was checking the books, for example in the Haynes manual, which is a very good manual, which I use it. I didn't find very clear specified when you have to change the oil in the final drive. I got to the conclusion that the oil in the final drive is good to be changed every time when you change the oil in your engine. What oil I use? Castrol, you see it over here, you see the specification over here. 75W140. How important is to be wise, to do a good maintenance. In this way, you save money and you use the money which you probably spend it on a fighter drive to a very beautiful holiday. So from here, from MotoNest garage, because actually we are in a garage, thank you for watching, and we wait next time to talk about mobile app for motorcyclists, to talk about beautiful roads which you're gonna find it over here in Transylvania. Maybe the last wild area from Europe, maybe, but who knows, you have to find out. Thank you very much and see you next time.
So as you see, we are here on the hills of Transylvania. It's beautiful. Even if it's November, we got a 16 degrees Celsius day with just a little bit clouds, and the rest is perfect. Beautiful day for riding. As Donald Trump used to say, tremendous. That's tremendous.